This is the Magigoo Coater assembly and setup video. Follow these steps to successfully prepare your Magigoo Coater for first use. We suggest that you also use the instruction manual prior to operation. Unpack your Magigoo Coater box, unzip the case, and inspect the contents of the kit. Each kit should contain one 250 ml original Magigoo bottle, one empty 250 ml bottle for cleaning, one cleaning cloth, one spray head, one pump head, one thin film applicator rod, one manifold frame and manifold cover, 20 rubber valves, 2 M4 bolts, 6 M3 bolts and square nuts, Allen keys, one scraper with 5 replacement blades, one bent straw, and one straight straw. For assembly of the Magigoo Coater, start by attaching the rubber valves to the manifold body. Place one valve on each of the 13 nozzles in the manifold frame. Make sure that you push each valve in securely. Once you have all the valves in place, you can move on to placing the square nuts into the front manifold cover. There are 6 slits for each of the square nuts. And once all the nuts are in place, put the cover on the valve face of the manifold body. Use the notches to make sure the cover is oriented correctly. Hold the cover in place using your thumb and gently pull on each valve to make sure that each valve is sticking outwards and the front cover is installed correctly. Using the provided Allen key, screw in the 6 M3 bolts from the back of the manifold head one by one. Tighten the square nut completely until finger tight and move on to the next until you have placed in all 6 bolts. Take care not to use excessive force to prevent damaging your Magigoo Coater. After this stage is complete, it is now time to attach the thin film applicator. This rod is responsible for creating a consistent and smooth Magigoo application each time. Once you have placed the bar in the manifold, use the provided Allen key to tighten the M4 bolts on each side of the rod. The bolts should be tight enough to prevent the bar from rolling during application. Take care not to use excessive force. And please note that this bar is not designed to roll during Magigoo application. You can now take the manifold assembly and attach it to the pump head. Align the thread of the pump head with that of the manifold body and rotate the manifold clockwise until tight. There should be a small gap between the pump head and the manifold body. Take care to not over-tighten the manifold head. With the head attached, take the bent straw and attach it to the pump head so that the bent tip points towards the manifold head. Screw on the Magigoo bottle and tighten. You have successfully assembled the Magigoo Coater and are now prepared for first use. Take care of your coater by using one of the downloadable coater stand models available.